How to connect Google Analytics to Blogger. So the first step is to simply go to Google Analytics, and then what you're gonna have to do is simply go to admin and then simply go to data streams. Now the next step is to simply click on add stream and then select web, and then here what you're gonna have to do is simply add your blog URL link and everything, and then what you're gonna have to do is simply click on it, and then you're gonna have to copy this measurement ID. So simply copy it and then go back to Blogger, then go to settings, and then under basic you're gonna have this Google Analytics measurement ID. So simply click on that and then simply paste in here and then click on save, and basically that's all you have to do in order to connect Google Analytics to Blogger. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.